blended plantain. Our plantain. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at your face. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Treasure, and this is my little princess, baby. This is my beautiful and adorable daughter. Bye. So guys, in today's video, I want to prepare plantain fufu. Plantain fufu, you can use it to eat with soup, any soup of your choice. Swallow. It's very good, very nutritious. It contains a lot of vitamins, and if you are diabetic, plantain fufu is very good for you, and it's very healthy, very good. Thank you very much for watching this. Now let's dive right into the video. So guys, this is my plantain. It is unripe plantain that we use for plantain fufu, the green plantain. So I'll go ahead and wash the plantain. I'm not going to use everything. I will use just two because I'm the only one that is going to eat this plantain fufu in my house. So that my blender can carry it. Now I'm going to transfer into my blender and then I will blend it. I'll just add little water. Okay, because I don't have sockets here, I will go inside my house and then blend the plantain. So guys, I'm done blending the plantain. Now I will turn it to my pot and then I'll just add a little vegetable oil in my pot so that it will not get burnt. Just use and rub inside the pot like this, and then pour in my blended plantain. So guys, now let's turn our fufu. And then use my turning stick to turn it. time to wrap it. Now let's wrap it, guys. Wow, this is beautiful. You see? Very beautiful. So guys, our plantain fufu is ready. Look at how it came out. Very beautiful. You can use it to eat any soup of your choice. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.